Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to Ford Edge 2011 step by step. Start by parking, setting the ignition to accessory, and turning on your radio. Open your phone Bluetooth settings and make the phone discoverable so the vehicle can find it. On the Edge display, navigate to the Phone or Bluetooth Setup menu and select Add a Device to begin pairing for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Begin pairing by selecting Add a Device on the Edge Bluetooth menu and wait while it searches. When your phone sees the Ford name appear, tap it to initiate pairing and look for a PIN code. Compare the PIN displayed on the vehicle screen with the PIN on your phone, then confirm both to finalize the connection. After pairing, grant phone permissions for contacts and media to enable calls and audio playback seamlessly. If you hit snags, try simple resets first. Restart your phone and cycle the vehicle ignition to clear temporary issues. Clear out old paired devices from the Edge Bluetooth list to reduce conflicts and ensure your phone is near the dashboard during pairing. If problems persist, check for phone software updates and retry the process, and remember to reauthorize contacts and media access after a successful pairing to restore full hands-free functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.